Electric vehicles will continue to rise in popularity, and electric vehicles will become increasingly widespread. The electric revolution has arrived, whether we like it or not. Without a question, the electric vehicle industry is growing. However, this raises the question of what benefits EV enthusiasts will get. The primary benefit of electric vehicles is that they produce zero emissions, which is important given the negative environmental impacts of gasoline-powered cars. In addition, electric vehicles have lower long-term costs and require less maintenance than traditional gas-powered. Welcome back to 3 Towers Investing Channel. In this video, we'll look at a revolutionary electric vehicle battery that will transform the industry. For electric vehicles, batteries are always an issue, especially when it comes to efficiency and long-term manufacturing. Thankfully, new battery chemistry concepts emerge. So make sure to stay tuned in till the end of the video. Click the like button and the notification so you won't miss out. If you're set, let's get started. Ford just recently announced that their all-electric truck F-150 Lightning was already sold out. Aside from Ford, Volkswagen also said they're running out of stock of the ID.4 EV because of very strong market demand. However, Tesla remains to be the highest electric vehicle producer in the world. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, recently said that his company is focusing on new battery chemistry to become the undisputed leader in the electric vehicle market. He revealed that the business may be researching new battery chemistry that utilizes a manganese-based cathode. This is because Tesla focuses on the primary obstacle behind the widespread adoption of electric vehicles and is working to overcome that barrier. Over the years, Musk has been very vocal about his lack of belief in technological advancements in batteries, giving the impression that he doesn't think that a new type of battery would have a big impact on the electric vehicle industry. Although many companies have researched and developed solid-state batteries for years, none of these technologies are currently used in any electric car product intended for mass production. Additionally, these companies may achieve a better return on investment if they concentrated on enhancing existing technologies instead of continuing to research new ones. Elon's interest in all of this is clear in his battery development. There are many different materials that may be used to make batteries, and the results of even small number of these materials in different combinations can be quite varied. This is seen in Tesla's recent usage of LFP or lithium iron phosphate batteries, which are used in the company's limited-range vehicles. This means that if an existing battery formula becomes pricey or unreasonably expensive, a new one may be made with little effort. This gives Tesla a lot of flexibility when it comes to dealing with supply chain issues. These innovative technologies have the potential to make new batteries safer while also increasing efficiency, duration, and efficacy, as well as safely and sustainably obtaining resources. The Tesla CEO recently delivered a brief speech to Tesla factory employees during the grand inauguration of the company's new gigaplant outside of Berlin, Germany, in which he focused on the company's future ambitions. In addition, he took the time to answer questions from the audience. Elon stated during his address that he believes the automobile industry should place a greater focus on components supplied from battery distribution networks. During the presentation, a participant also asked a question about graphene-based batteries. Elon acknowledged the complexity of working with graphene and commented on how tough it is before confirming that Tesla will continue to use nickel-based battery chemistries for longer-range vehicles and LFP for shorter-range vehicles. He also mentioned the potential of using manganese. "I feel manganese has tremendous promise," he added. Even while this may come as a surprise to some, it's crucial to remember that Elon Musk mentioned manganese at the debut of Tesla's 4680 battery cell concept on its Battery Day in 2020. It's fairly straightforward to design a cathode that's 2/3 nickel and 1/3 manganese, Musk said, which will enable us to generate 50% higher cell capacity. Musk also stated that Tesla feels manganese as the cathode material has potential. Manganese is a critical component in resolving Tesla's supply chain issues because of their availability and ease of extraction. Lithium iron phosphate batteries are likely to power most Tesla vehicles in the next decade or so. Elon proposes straightforward battery chemistry that entails making a cathode that is 2/3 nickel and 1/3 manganese. When this is completed, Tesla will be able to create 50% more nickel-based cells with the same amount of nickel. As a result, this is one of the solutions to the high price of nickel and limited supply. If present production levels are maintained, the firm may require tens or hundreds of millions of tons of nickel. As a result, the materials used to mass-produce these batteries must be commonplace. Otherwise, you won't be able to scale to the extent necessary to push EV adoption rates beyond their current limits. Elon Musk set a target for Tesla in 2020, predicting that the firm will be able to produce 20 million automobiles yearly by 2030. Actions must be taken, and this manganese technique may be the key to realizing this ambition. Outside of Tesla's research and developments on the manganese-based battery chemistry, the number of research organizations that have published articles promising manganese-rich cathode batteries has increased significantly. These battery packs have the potential to provide better energy density than iron phosphate batteries, while also being less expensive than nickel-rich batteries. This technical project appears to have a good chance of succeeding despite the fact that manganese is not a fundamental component of these battery chemistries. Tesla has previously used it in some of them. For example, Tesla has used manganese in the chemistry of batteries in the past, notably for Tesla Powerwall batteries. Furthermore, the Nissan Leaf's initial battery had a manganese-rich cathode. Even though Nissan maintains its lithium-ion manganese oxide batteries would gradually lose capacity over time, they should still be serviceable for another 10 years. Depending on the model, they should still be able to maintain 70 to 80% of their initial 100 over 225-mile driving range at that point. According to several projections, the world will need to produce roughly 300 terawatt-hours of battery packs in order to make that transition to a sustainable era. This is a staggering figure, and we need to figure out where the minerals for these batteries will come from. Recycling is beneficial, but it is a drop in the ocean when compared to the scope of the problem. Because of this, Tesla will almost certainly require battery chemistries that also utilize other reasonably plentiful minerals, and Tesla will almost certainly accomplish this sooner. With the unending technological advancements of Elon's gigafactories around the world, Tesla's goal is to build 20 million electric cars yearly starting 2030. Do you believe Tesla will meet its 2030 target with its current production and battery efficiency? Let us discuss your opinions in the comments section below. That concludes this video for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please click the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons to stay up to date on our new uploads. This is your 3 Towers Investing channel, your #1 channel in finance, investment, and innovation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.